Before you begin, remove 7 of the rubber inserts, the stand bottom cover, the fan, the M.2 solid-state drive, if it's installed, the speaker mesh, the stand arm cover, the stand arm, the display assembly rear cover, and the scalar board shield. Removal. Use the stand arm to lift the stand arm attachment on the hinge to its utmost position. Remove the retention tape that secures the cables to each other. Remove the cables from the routing channel in the hinge area. Detach the retention tape that secures the cables to the display assembly hinge bracket. Remove the 9 T15 Torx head screws that secure the display assembly hinge bracket to the display panel assembly. Remove the display assembly hinge bracket. Replacement. Place the display assembly hinge bracket into its position on the display panel assembly. Replace the 9 T15 Torx head screws to secure the display assembly hinge bracket to the display panel assembly. Replace the retention tape that secures the cables to the display assembly hinge bracket. Replace the cables into the routing channel in the hinge area. Gather all the cables together and secure them with retention tape.